Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys phone reading mode guys, how can we on and then how can we use in Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to on and guys you want to use your phone reading mode. So when how to on I will show you. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting. So where is reading mode setting guys, you will have to tap on guys your phone display and brightness, and guys you can see this type of setting. Friends, click on phone eye care means guys your reading mode. So guys you can see your phone reading mode setting guys means eye care guys. You can on guys reading mode setting from here. After on guys screen color will little change, and friends you can see your reading mode time means guys your eye care time guys. You can set time from here am pm guys. You can set the schedule time and end time and start time guys. Automatic guys your reading means guys your eye care will start, and end time guys automatic. You will set time then guys automatic it will off. So like that guys you can on and guys you can use guys your phone eye care mode setting guys. It is easy to guys look at our screen and guys we can use it. So guys we will off it. So like that guys you can on and off guys your phone eye care means guys your phone reading mode setting guys. You can on and you can off it. So bye guys.